Hi everyone. I'm going to set the colors for this design that I'm doing. I think it has there it is. It has 17 different thread colors or thread changes. I have 10 needles on my machine, which means I will still have to stop and change colors. Anyway, I wanted to show you how to set the colors on your machine. So my machine is a Brother PR1055X. Um, and let me go from the beginning. And get my design. I think I passed it. There it is. It's right here. And you hit set. This one is, I want it a little bit smaller. So I hit size. And then I hit this button. So I want it at about 7.5. So it's 7.48. That's where I want it. I hit OK. I hit edit end. And then, first of all, before going into this area and assigning your colors, I need to actually assign it in here because I just changed threads on my machine itself. So now I need to change it here. These colors that are currently here is what I had on my machine before. I have changed it. So let me go back to what I had to do to get to that point. So I had to hit this button that looks like a little notepad with the bent corner, and I hit that, and then I go to page number 3 of 9, and that's how I got to this page. Now you would see here there's a anchor, so that's all these little anchors here as well. So if I click needle number 1, you see there's no anchor because I just hit the anchor. So what I will look for now is on number 1, I have like a khaki color. So that's it. Then I would just hit the anchor button again and it assign that color to needle number 1. So I go through the rest. Needle number 2, hit the anchor. On needle number 2, I have a kind of like this color. Yep, and then I hit anchor again and it assigns it. So you just go through that whole process for 1 to 6 or whatever amount of needles you have. I think the Brother only has like a 6 needle and a 10 needle in the machines. So now I'm on to needle number 3. Hit the anchor. I have gray on that. Now, my colors are like not exactly what's in the machine. I just choose the closest one. If I have the exact color from the company, if I have the exact thread, like if you're using Floriani or if you're using, I don't even know this thread, Gutermann, Isacord, I do have Madeira. Sometimes I'll go through and find it, but other than that, I just go for what is the closest shade to what I have. Thread number 4 is brown, and you can use these up and down arrows to get to the other colors. That's a light brown, that's a black, this is a dark brown. Anchor, okay. Nope. Anchor. Number 5. What do I have on 5? It's, see, I don't find that color that I have in here. And I lost my stylus. Okay, then I go in other thread companies to see if I find the color that's closest to what I'm looking for. So maybe that. And that's how I do it. Number 6, hit the anchor button to unlock it. Number 6 has like an electric blue. Let's see. Whoop. I didn't want to press that button. I'm trying to find a shade that's closest to what I have on the machine. Maybe. Okay, so when I finish, I'm going to come back and show you the rest. Okay, so once you did all of that, let me just move my tripod a little bit. Yeah, once you've done all that, you hit OK, and it comes back to this screen where you can now go to this button with the 3 threads and hit that, and now you get to assign colors to needles. So as you can see here, it says the first stitch is a gray. But on my machine, the needle number 1 is a light brown. So that wouldn't work. That's where I have to reassign it. So needle number 1 is this gray. So on my machine, gray is needle number 3. So I have to do that. And when you change the thread colors, you're going to see it being represented on the screen here. Stitch number 2 is like a dark gray or like a black. So there. And that's how you change your thread colors. And you don't have to do, you can see it changing here. You don't have to do exactly what is in the software. You can change anything you want to the colors that suits you. Oh, I like that blue. That blue is gorgeous. I really like that. So yeah, you just play around with the needles that you have and change it to the colors that you have. And no, that doesn't look good. Go with the designs that you like and the colors that you like. So I just wanted to come in and show you how to do that. After you're done, you hit OK, and then you hit embroider, and you hit lock. This will turn to green, and then you hit the green button, and it will start embroidering once your hoop is set in place. Okay, so I'm going to return and set all my thread colors, and I'll show you a little clip of me embroidering.